talking with an airport customs agent.
Customs agent. Good morning. May I see your passport?
Passenger? Sure. Here's my passport.
Customs agent. Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit to Canada?
Passenger. I am returning to Canada. I now live here.
Customs agent, are you a permanent resident?
Passenger? Yes.
Customs agent, can I see your permanent resident card, please?
Passenger. Sure, here it is.
Customs agent, what is your address and telephone number in Canada?
Passenger. 2520 34th Avenue Northwest, Edmonton. Our telephone number is 780-431-2018.
Customs agent, thank you. Are you traveling alone?
Passenger. No, my husband is with me.
Customs agent, do you have anything to declare?
Passenger. No, we have nothing to declare.
Customs agent, okay, welcome back to Canada.
Find lesson plans and other resources for your class of ESL beginners on the ESL Directions website.